Hello everyone. This is going to be a very quick tip showing a new background setting in Jamboard that many of us have been waiting for, the ability to upload your own image. So if you haven't used the set background feature before in Jamboard, you can choose from a couple of different pre-made ones. You can choose lined paper, you can choose grid paper. Traditionally, the default is that blank whiteboard, but now you have the ability to upload an image of your own to set it as the background. So I'm going to show some examples of why this can be so powerful and helpful. Say, for example, you want to kind of set the scene up for students. You want to set up a problem and some directions. So you might be doing that currently by clicking the add image and then uploading. Maybe you have a problem. Let's go ahead and open this one up, move it around, resize it. Then maybe you want to add some instructions. You could use text. I'm going to use a sticky. Save that. Maybe move it over here. Resize it a little bit, and then let me go ahead and do one example. So I'm gonna pick my color. There we go. Before, if I shared this with students, I didn't have any other option but to share it like this, and students could complete it, but they might accidentally, I think we've all experienced this, move things around in a way that we didn't want, or even accidentally press a clear frame button, which is the worst. So what you can do now is you can kind of set this up, and this is the base that I want students to complete, and I can go over here and I can actually save the frame as an image. So now that I have downloaded it as an image, I'm gonna go ahead and open up a new blank Jamboard. I'm gonna go to set background and I'm gonna use this new image option, and I'm gonna click browse. I will find that image in my downloads, and there we go. Now this is not movable. Students can't move any of this around. They can't edit any of the text, and they can just use the pen tools and the text tools and all that good stuff. And then when you share it with students, if you want everybody to complete their own jam, then you can just press share, give everybody viewing access, and when they get into the Jamboard, they can just go over to the three dots and they can make their own copy to create their own version. The other option, if you like giving them a copyable link, is to press the share and go ahead and copy the link and paste in that link, change everything after the edit to copy, and then that would be a way of making it so it force copies as soon as students click on the link. Anyway, I said that I was going to make this video focused on just the background, so that is what I want to focus on, the background, that you can now set a custom background, and this can be very helpful. Here's an example that I've used before. I found it, somebody else was sharing it. I know it's been shared widely, but having the different columns, for example, and this one was created where, you could move still this around accidentally, and it did get moved around quite often. You could also set it up for a debate and have different columns like pros and cons and so forth. And instead of just having an image like this that could accidentally get moved, or worse yet, somebody accidentally presses clear frame, which I think we've all been there. Now, before you add all these little sticky notes, you could actually save the frame as an image, and then you can set it as the background so that nothing is movable and the background cannot be accidentally deleted. So anyway, I hope that this helps. I hope that you really enjoy the feature. I know it's been something that a lot of people have been looking for, and that's it for this video. Bye.